how to set password in Brave browser. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to set a password in Brave browser. Alright, so let's begin. First, open up your Brave browser. Over here, click the three dots in the top right corner and go to extensions. Then go to the web store and search for the extension Set Password for your browser Chrome lock. After that, click Add to Brave and then add extension to install it. Once it's added, a prompt will ask you to set your password. Just enter a simple password like 12345 and click OK. Then close your browser and open it again. When you reopen Brave, you'll see a password prompt. Enter your passcode, click OK, and you can access your browser. So that's basically how you can set a password in Brave browser. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.